Okay, let's start with 4. This is metatrader4. Then here are your currency pairs or whatever you'll be trading and indices. So if you want to add them, you just click on the plus sign and then you search whatever you want to search. Let's say USD oil, then you click on edit, it disappears from the site. Then when you go back, at the bottom you find it here, it's here, and then here is your chart. So each and every pair has its own chart here, very unique. And here is your amount of money you have. Anyway, this is a time I'm just showing you how metatrader4 works. And then here will be your history of, let's say, okay, so here I want to show you something. Maybe let's say you're about to place an order. Let's say maybe you're selling from this point and then you sell, and then here that's where you set your lot size. You can let's just say maybe 0 to 50, and then you are selling. This is how you place your order, and then your trade is running is right here. Maybe you want to put a stop loss, then you're gonna have to touch on the plus sign. Let me rotate it because my screen recorder is disturbing me from that side. So you just touch here, maybe let's say you want to put it here. Your stop loss is 70, 40, 02. So you go back to your trade and then you click on the pen, which is the modification. Then it's 70, maybe 40, 03. Sorry, 03, and then modify. And then when you go back, here is the stop loss, is here, right here. This SL means stop loss. Then maybe let's say you take profit is somewhere around here. I'm just making an example, a rough example. And then 70, 134. Then you go back again to modification. It's 70. Wait, let me go back again. Happen to flash. Where is my plus sign? 7130. 713, maybe 4. Let's put 4, not 0. Okay, so here is your take profit. Then you wait for the market until it hits your take profit or stop loss. Let's say you decide to cut your loss, for example. Maybe you see that maybe you didn't put a stop loss anyway. You just want to close, and then you just swipe and click on the tick, or else you can just hold and click on the close the order. So I prefer this one. It's closed. So now this is your trading history here, right here. This is how it works. So yeah, I think that's all for today. And then I forgot to show you something. Then here we have your time frames, but at the same time when you rotate your phone like this, they are here on your left side, and then on your right are your tools to use, things like trend lines and horizontal lines and indicators and so on. So if you want to draw a line, maybe you just click here and then you draw a line anywhere you want. This is a line. Then if you want to delete it, you just hold it like this and delete. And then if you want to draw a horizontal line, you click here and then you just put it wherever you want to put, maybe here. And then if you want to delete, do the same. So that's how it works. And then here is your history, or tools that you have used. So if you want to add the new one, you just click here. And also you can also delete here. Maybe you have drawn a line, then you want to delete it, just click, select and delete, and then it will disappear from the chart. So, and if you want to use indicators, you just click here. Here are indicators, moving averages, you can use them, they also work. Thank you, that's all for today.